Haga jingkran jong DC ulapan pa bakum kani ka program ka long ka badon kam bat ka bayarap yaki khynah bakin songtho ya ka bha bat ka sneu khana bakin la ban kiar na kinu jing sneu jong ka phai sho ula banjor yakum ki khynah skul kini Pynlong ki basmat ban tre shitom bat ban pulit kot bha.
It has been always the endeavor of the district administration, the police, to make this place, the city, the district and the state as secure and as safe as we feel inside our homes. So to involve each and every one of you, all the citizens of this state, into this process, we have decided that it can very well be done if we involve the school and college students in sensitization and creating awareness about this very important aspect of our life, which is the safety and security. As we all of us are aware that with the changing time, with the changing ways of communication, modes of communication, things have changed rapidly, and all of us have to be guarded against devices which these changes bring along with them. Safety is a very important aspect. It is not the safety of the individual alone. It is safety of the others also. I think the previous presentation which was given talks about that. So this exercise which we are doing in collaboration with the office of the SP is basically that all of you who are present here today will understand your role into this entire picture, into this entire safety aspect which you are trying to implement in the city and across the district, and how best you can help the administration in achieving that target. There are so many aspects of the safety. I think one aspect is about the road. The other aspects are sometimes interlinked, sometimes they are standalone cases. I think one of the very important things which I would like to highlight is the increasing problem of alcohol, increasing problem of use of drugs, increasing problem of smoking amongst the youth. Though you might say that it is not very directly linked to the safety, but if you go deep into it, it has a connection. It has a connection because drugs are not available freely. I am talking about the drugs which lead to problems. If you are getting it, that means you are definitely getting it from a criminal. I don't have any doubt about it. These are banned items. If somebody is getting it, the source of it is crime. And these criminals thrive on these kinds of things which they want to push it to the younger generation because they make money. With that money, they purchase guns and they use it against the nation, they use it against the state.
Nagaliang uba kharkrang haga jingkran ke jong u lapan pau ba nagaliang ketanat pulit kala Pynlong ya kani jinghikai kalong halor kumnu ba kibreu ki banya kali ki Pynlong adakar kim dei ban phong da slipper haba kinya kali ba ki ban phong da ki helmet haba kinya bai ni skutar namar ke jingbam dang ya ki helmet kala ban wanra ya shibun ki jingmen saw lani yap khamtam haba accident ulakran ru ha ka baya dei bat ki jingdi drugs namar bon ki breu kelangop ha ki jingdi drugs namar nakapor syakapor ulong ba ki pulit ki juyo ban kem ya ki breu ki but the rocks but ulapan pau ba udrox si ukham jelai hamadarn ting but kador jong uru kalong ka parembha ba ulakan tui khynah ba kinde satya ban mat e gite jingdi penbuat ki basneu.
This is the last census that has been done. 2009 about 7,833 children, grown up adults who are to drugs, and this figure now by 2050 probably this figure must be doubled. And I would not be surprised if this figure had crossed 50,000 people, drug users within the state of Meghalaya. The crimes which are directly related to NDPS, which means these are the people, these number of cases that we have caught. If you look here, there has been a substantial increase from 2009 to 2013. Intake of drugs is directly proportional to the commission of other crimes. When you look at the crime graph, there has been a steady increase in the number of cases that we have registered, in the number of crimes that we have committed. And in most of these cases, it is directly related to the intake of drugs, especially when it comes to crime against property. Crime against property, I'll tell you, probably you will not understand, crime against property is a person who commits theft, a person who commits dacoity, a person who commits robbery. These are crime against property. Some are probably, you might, some incident might have happened within your own house also, where things have been stolen. Those are all crime against property.